Welcome to the SimFin video tutorials. Today we will show you step by step how to set up an interesting investment strategy with the SimFin Stock Screener. You will learn how to create filters by industry sector and fundamental indicators. As highlight, we will show you how to add a renowned technical chart signal, the so-called golden cross, which is triggered by a short-term moving average of the closing price crossing a long-term moving average from below. 1. Step: Create new portfolio. Click in the main menu on Create New Portfolio, which will open the wizard to choose the type of filter selecting. Choose the option Add Dynamic Filters. 2. Step: Select Fundamental Filters. In the up-popping window, you select the wanted fundamental metrics that will serve as a filter. A. Select Industry Classification is Technology. Press green Confirm button on the right side. B. Press again Add Filter and choose under the segment Stock Information the closing price. Apply the transformation EMA, which stands for Exponential Moving Average, and set 2 weeks as period for the average calculation. Confirm the selection and select as operator bigger than and choose Other Indicator. Select here closing price as well with the EMA transformation. Set the period to 2 months. Save filter by pressing green Confirm button. C. Press again Add Filter and choose under the segment Financial Statements the revenues. Confirm default settings and choose as operator bigger than 1,000 million. Confirm filter with green button click. 3. Step: Explore Portfolio Table Entries. In the Table View tab below the Filter panel, you will see now the number and list of stocks that match with your filters. You will notice that all created filters appear with their relevant values as columns on the right side of the default metric columns. You can explore now the resulting stock list by sorting the table via click on the column header labels. For example, you can sort all stocks by their revenue in descending order. If you go back in history via the calendar picker, you can explore how this strategy would have worked out during specific market events. Let's go back together in time to the March 23, 2020. This date was the day with the worst stock market drawdown of 30% for the SP 500 that happened at the beginning of the corona crisis. You will see in the View Table tab of the screener that the applied strategy would have kept only one stock in the portfolio. It was Citrix Systems Inc., which still fulfilled the criteria of the strategy. In the table, you will notice that the company has a revenue bigger than $1 billion and its EMA 14 was on that date still higher than the EMA 60. Let's see how the strategy filtered out symbols in the previous weeks before the crash. Around 1 month before the crash, on the 21st of February, 2020, there were still 52 stocks in the portfolio. Just check the EMA value is the last columns by sorting descending. All EMA 14 are higher than the EMA 60. At the 28th of February, 2020, so around 3 weeks before the deepest corona drawdown, there were only 12 stocks left. This means, while the stock prices started falling, 40 stocks have got a so-called death cross triggered by the applied EMA 1460D crossover indicator and were sold before the worst drawdown happened at the March 23rd. This highlights the potential of the strategy to avoid major losses during market crashes. The moving average indicators act like dynamic stop signals, further protecting your investments in declining stocks. On April 27, 2020, the moving average strategy was able to capitalize on opportunities and repurchase 50 stocks with recovered prices, thereby fulfilling the criteria of the Golden Cross. 4. Step: Visualizations. If you are curious to learn how to create graphs and charts for this portfolio, just watch the tutorial video step-by-step guide to create graphs from SimFin portfolios on our YouTube channel. 5. Step: Backtesting. Last but not least, everyone would like to know how this strategy would have performed if you would have invested some money in the past. In the video tutorial Learn how to perform a backtest from a SimFin portfolio, we will lift this secret and publish the backtest results. This video is also available on our YouTube channel. Resume. In this tutorial you learned how to set up an investment strategy in the SimFin Stock Screener by adding filters out of financial indicators in 3 easy steps. You immediately were able to see and sort the matching stocks in the table view of the stock screener. We also showed you how the strategy would save your portfolio from massive losses during the stock price crash in the Corona crisis. How to create graphics and perform backtests to approve the created investment strategy. We will present you in additional video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video tutorial.